This is Sister Grace. I was at the Trump rally. I saw police turning up the side road, so I followed to see what was going on. The officers had guns drawn again. I am in Beverly Hills.
Hey, Pat!
There's a vehicle here stopped from Georgia. We're on Rodeo Drive in South Santa Monica. The Beverly Hills Police have a Jeep, an orange Jeep. License plates RRW 3822 from Georgia stopped. There are 4 police cars here, as you can see. There is a 5th coming. Must be hard to do their job with people like me around videoing.
And there's 60 available from Arsenal over there, Pastor Riley.
Downtown Wilshire, and then hopefully westbound and then northbound Rodeo.
I'm black. This is a Trump ride. They walked up to your car and said I'm waving a gun while I'm driving in the middle of fucking traffic.
Damn, free offset for Trump. You tell him. That's Cardi. Tell him, Cardi. Tell him, Cardi.
The Rolls Royce.
Hey, Cardi B, where's Hunter?
The other lady was in a Rolls Royce.
Hey, JB's not gonna help your ass out now.
Put her in jail!
Got another 30 or 40 about to catch up.